If you want to create 3 layers video, this tutorial river will teach you how you can create 3-layer video in Capcut. Launch your Capcut and create a new project. Now select 3 videos and at the bottom right tap on collage and you will see your 3 videos have been added here. And to edit any video, simply tap on the video you want to edit, and now you can change the position of the video. You can mirror the video from here, you can flip the video, you can rotate the video. That's how you can easily adjust your videos from here. Once done, tap on ratio and from here you can select ratio, then tap on continue at the top right, and this is how we can create 3 layers video in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.